Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with managing animation states and code refactoring in Unity. After creating a basic prototype, I noticed that my player script was getting very cluttered and hard to manage. He was handling everything from input to animation triggers, and anytime I needed to make a change, I had to navigate through the whole script to find the relevant code. I decided to start refactoring my code to make it more organized and easier to manage. First, I created a class called constants that contains a variable for every possible animator parameter. I defined constant variables to rename animator parameters as needed and to avoid spelling mistakes that can occur when setting animator triggers. This change helped me streamline the code and made it easier to locate and edit specific parameters. Next, I created an input manager class to handle the player's input. Within this class, I defined string variables for the player's animation states. These variables were then used to store string values in the current anim variable based on the player's input. Finally, I triggered the corresponding animation on the player script. This approach allowed me to centralize the input management code, making it easier to modify and debug. To manage the player's animation states, I used an animation behavior. Within this class, I set the player's current state, the name of the animation clip currently playing, the enemy set react animation, and the amount of damage the enemy will receive from the current animation. I also shifted the idle animation event logic from the player script to this script. This change helped me manage the player's animation state, the enemy set react animation, and the amount of damage the enemy will receive for each individual attack more easily. With these changes, my Unity prototype is now more organized and efficient, allowing for easier implementation of future changes and improvements. I am excited to continue working on this project and see where it takes me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. Please excuse any mistakes in my English as it is not my native language. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.